The Samsung Jet vacuum cleaner comes with an integrated digital display for an optimum performance. It intuitively alerts and displays the machine's status, such as its power level and brush type. Let's understand how the display works. Power on and off. Press the power on and off button to start the operation. The default operation is in mid mode. Note, when the wet brush is assembled, the operation starts in wet mode. Suction power. It displays the current status of suction power. To increase the suction power, press the plus button. And to decrease the suction power, press the minus button. You can also set the speed of the suction power as per your need. Max is for maximum suction power. Mid is for medium suction power. And min is for minimum suction power. Note, the suction power button does not work in wet mode. Wet. When the wet brush is attached to the cleaner, the wet brush mode will be active. Understanding the display alerts. Clogged. The clogged indicator alerts when the dustbin, pipe or suction part is clogged. Spinning brush stuck. This indicator alerts if a foreign matter gets stuck in the spinning brush. Note, if the overheating prevention of the motor is in operation, the display may turn off. No filter. It alerts if the washable microfilter is not assembled correctly. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.